How to edit a user in the user management system. Click on the edit icon to the left of a user, or click on the icon at the top, select a user, and click on the edit button. You can edit the user ID, but it's only recommended that you do this to correct typos. Please do not edit the user ID to replace the user with someone else. For example, to replace someone that has left the company. The reason this is not advised is that if you change the user ID, all of the history entries for actions performed by the old user will reflect the new user's name. The best way to handle this is to add the new user first, then delete the old user. If the old user has any records assigned or is selected as a state manager, you will be prompted to select the replacement. You can edit the license type if needed. You can change from static to floating, or vice versa, as long as you haven't already reached the maximum number of users for that license type. You can also upgrade from restricted to static or floating. Please refer to Knowledge Base Article 67 to understand what's involved before you upgrade a user, as this change cannot be undone. After making any desired changes, click Update to save them.